Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change your computer username in Windows 10. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask you, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I put a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now as you can see, I'm already on my computer right here. So your username is the name that appears once you are logging in or once you open your computer. The name that's appeared, that's your username. So I'm going to show you how you can change that. So to do that, I just want us to come to our start menu and then open your start menu right here. So now I just want you to start typing control panel, right? Control panel, and then this should be opening up. So now I want us to open our control panel. Click on that to open it. Now as you can see, this is your control panel. So I just want us to click on here, click on to go to the home page. Right now you are here. So now I want you to click on a user account. Click on that, and then you can even click on change account type. Right, so now once you click on that, this is choose the user you would like to change. If you have like a lot of user on your computer, they will all appear here. So as you can see, I only have mine, or I only have one, sorry, I only have one user. So this is the user that is appearing. So you can click whichever user you want to change the username. So I'm just going to click on this one, and then this should be opening up. So now as you can see, you can change the account name or the password or the account type. So I'm going to change the account name, which is the username. Click on there, and then you can set the, as you can see now it's set to Kandowa. All right, so let's say you want to change it to Kandowa Media, right? Set that to Kandowa Media, and then this name will appear on the welcome screen or on the start menu. As you can see, like as I told you, it will is the name that appear on your when you open up your computer. So now once you turn, or once you type the name that you want to change it to, just click on change name. Right, so now as you can see is changed to Kandowa Media. Right, so yeah, that's how you can change your computer username in Windows 10. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. We'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.